This is a spider, but how about this one?
Spider-Man.
No. What's this?
Spider-Man.
No, it's a
Spider-Man.
spider
Spider.
web.
What?
Web.
What the?
Web.
B.
Web. Web.
What?
Web. Web. Talaga? Uulitin lang. Patay yung mali. Ulit. Next, what's this? Next, what's this?
10.
Number
10.
10.
Bye-bye.
Paulit-ulit yan.
Red.
Red, correct. Next.
Bye-bye. Flute.
No, this is not flute. It's a
Bye-bye. Pen.
pen. Good job. Next, how about this one?
It's a bed. Bed.
Ay, sinisilip na. Bad na. Wag.
House.
House or a hut.
House.
Nip hut. What's this?
Ball.
Bowl. Okay, no. It may
Tub.
be a bowl, but you call this tub.
Tub.
Next.
Coffee.
No, it's not coffee. This one.
Cup.
Cup. Correct. Next. How about this one?
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Mama.
It's a...
Mama.
No. They are showing the cat. The cat is a pet. Can you say pet?
Pet.
The word is pet.
Pet.
Okay. Next. How about this one? What's this?
Bee.
Bee. Good job. Next. How about this one?
Coffee.
No, it's not coffee. It's a tea.
Tea.
Can you say tea?
Tea.
Correct. Next.
Will.
It is under the...
C.
Grilled chicken is called what?
Nest.
Starts with letter H.
H.
It's a hen. Correct. Next. Last one.
Peel.
It's a
Pila.
green
Green
pea.
pea.
Huwag na yung ilong. Stop picking your nose. Spell map. M.
Ano sa M?
Susunod sa M.
Ay, talaga magduduyan pa siya, oh.
A-P.
It's O. Say O.
O.
And then next is map. P. Oh, what's the next letter? Letter?
M.
Map. P. What's the word again? This is a
Toys.
toy. Walang S. Can you spell toy?
T-O-Y.
T-O-Y. Correct. Can you spell T-O-Y? That's correct. Next. What's this?
Box.
Box. Spell box. Don't flip. Spell box. Spell box. Hey. Rory, what's this? It's a...
Flag.
No. Wag mo i-flip. Bad yun. Ang utos lang ni teacher. Yes, that's not good.
Good.
You need to look and listen only. Hindi pwedeng i-flip yung card. This is called a map. Can you spell map?
O-P-P.
Pero sa akin yan. Lala, ay elephante. Yung cheetah. Lala, panda.
Ano yung Calvin?
Calvin. Mali. Pwede dyan. Isa pa. Yun o. Ito. Hindi mo kukuhanin yung... Wait lang. Rory, hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi ka pa tapos, Rory. Put here. O yan, Sean. Ang building. Yan, galing naman, Sean.
B.
How about you, Juliana? Make a building.
There's a color. It's F.
Yeah, really? Galing mo. Wow, nice naman, Rory. Wow, Sean. Good job. O, ayusin mo yan. Pulutin mo yan. Tingnan mo, oh, pagka... Ay, naku, Sean. Oh, tapos na si Juliana, tapos na si Rory. Magtataka pa siya, tapos ganyan, kakainin niya yung kamay niya. Ay, naku. Sean!
It's
Sa
grass.
hopper.
Grasshopper.
Yes. Yes, grasshopper. Octopus. Octopus.
Turtle yan.
Tortoise. Ito yung turtle. Ito yung turtle. Ito tortoise. Dragonfly. It's a dog. What's that? Ladybug. Good. Asan yung dragonfly? Yan. Very good shot. Asan yung grasshopper? Very good. That's
Friendly ghost
butterfly.
Friendly ghost.
Di na umiikot, Ate Sel. Asan yung umiikot? Di na umiikot. Scorpion. Yung dito. Nasaan yung dito? Naku, tapos bumili pa ako ng isa niyan. Ay, sa ilalim! Ayan!
Damn.
Oh, kunin mo pa yung nasa ilalim na upuan ni ano. Doon. Alam mo, ha?
Next.
Wala yung ano, card ng ladybug. Sean, ang ingay-ingay. Ha?
Kopi ko blanca. Timplang ko na
Sino? Meron siyang kopi ko blanca?
Hindi, timplang ko na nga lang siya. Kopi ko blanca.
Tapusin mo yan, Sean. Ilagay mo dito. Lagay mo dito. Yan. Isa pa. Good. Lagay mo dito. Upuan yan. Upuan. Good. Lagay mo dito. Good. Wrong yan, Rory. That's for the bed. Allah. Share yan. Ito yan. Good. Juliana. Go, Juliana. Finish mo. Nahulog na, Juliana. Nahulog. Ayan, tinutulungan ka na lang. Oh no, where's your other window? Ay, it fell down. Okay, here. Ay, wow, very good, Sean. Kahit pa paano. No, you don't help him. It's okay. Ilagay mo yan, Sean. Thank you, Odd. Exchange daw kayo. Oh, bilis. Saan mo lalagay yan? Napin mo. Hindi kasha. Ayun, salamat. Very good, Juliana. Go, 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 Rory. Very good, Juliana. Where is the lobster? Mali. Next. Where is the seahorse? Sean! Mabuti sana kung tama, Sean eh. Nagmamadali ka pa, hindi ka na... Mali! Where is the octopus? Octopus. Okay, next. Starfish. Next. Squid. Oh, squid. Asan na? Very good, Rory. Where is the sea lion? Mali. Sea lion. Asan na? Wala. Ayun. Next. Where is the turtle? Horse. Good. Next. Rooster. Dog. Mali. Dog yun eh. Dog. Dog. Sean. Yeah. Hanapin mo yan, Sean. Hanapin mo. Buti naman. Hanapin mo yung giraffe. Giraffe? No. No, no, no. No, that's the sheep. Giraffe. Giraffe. No, 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 no. Ayun. Bigyan mo kay Sean. Yeah, thank you. Bigyan mo dito. Bigyan mo dito. Thank you. Okay, next. Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Very good, Rory. Okay, next. Where's the antelope? Antelope. No, where's the antelope?
Antelope yan.
Hindi, oh. Where's the antelope? Ayun.
What is that? It's a...
Antelope. Antelope yan. Okay, next. Okay. It's a dog. It's a coolie dog. What's that, Juliana? What's that? What's that? Ano to?
It's a dog.
What's this? Tortoise. Dolphin. What are you going to do? What's that? Lobster.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Ano yan, Rory? Butterfly. Very good. It's a ladybug. Very good.
What's that? It's
And that chicken. No. Ayun. Ha? Next, yung sheep. Mali. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. Sean naman. Napin mo yung Carabao. 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 Rory. Carabao. Rory.
What's that?
Dali mo dito. Sit down ka. Next, yung cow. Dito. Okay, next, yung goose. Goose. Napin mo, Sean. Ito. Yung pig. Okay, next. Rory, yung donkey. Ito yung donkey. Hindi nagpa-participate. Rory, hindi mo dito. Sean naman. Horse. Horse, Juliana. Ang building. Yan, galing naman ni Sean.
B.
How about you, Juliana? Make a building.
There's a color. It's F.
Yeah, really? Galing mo. Wow, nice naman, Rory. Wow, Sean. Good job. Who likes to blow the bubbles? Oh, you blow. Juliana, you blow. Open mo.
Gano'n bang masama doon? Gano'n ginagawa sa ice cream?
Kasi sabi ko, ice cream.
Bakit? May sinabi din ba ako na?
Sit down! Akin na yung roller ko. Sit down!
Ano bang tinitubyan mo, ha?
I said sit down! Did you sit down? You sit down now. Here's the table.
Baka kasi
Allah!
Ay, naku, ma'am.
No! Rory, ha?
No!
Kulit po. Next. Where is the tiger? Another set of tiger. Mali. O naman, mali. Ayun o. Okay, thank you. Let's pack away that. Ay, elephant! Asan yung elephant? Elephant. Very good. Next, where's the panda?
good.
Good job. Where's the rhino? Rhino. Where's the rhino? No, elephant yan. Rhino. Sean. Ito, yan. Yes. Where is the monkey? Monkey. Sean, ang ingay. Monkey. Lagyan mo dito, Juliana. Thank you. Oh.
Go!
Yeah. Wait lang. Hindi pa siya tapos. Yay! 1. O, hanggang 5. 1, 2. O, sige pa.
1,
3.
2,
O.
5, 6,
Sige, dali.
7, 8.
Ma'am Stella.
4. O, isa pa. 5. O. Tapusin mo yan, Sean. Ilagay mo dito. Lagay mo dito. Yan. Isa pa. Good. Lagay mo dito. Upuan yan. Upuan. Good. Lagay mo dito. Good. Wrong yan, Rory. That's for the bed. Allah. Chair yan. Dito yan. Good. Juliana. Go, Juliana. Finish mo. Nahulog na, Juliana. Nahulog. Where's the zebra? Thank you. Hi! Rory!
Fix mo, 1 to 10 yan.
Wala kang quality control ngayon.
Find the van.
Wala kang... Umame.
Van.
Umame.
Nahuli ka lang eh. Umamin ka kagad. Ayan.
Ay.
Wala ka bang
And the R. R. R for
Yes, teacher. Grabe ang hair mo ngayon.
Next.
May
Find the boat.
straight ha.
Boat. Boat.
Paano?
Sino? Si?
Huwag niya. Here.
find the R.
Ang iksi. Sit down, Rory. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Ay, upo mo na. Find the octopus here.
Lion.
Upo ka, upo. Hanapin mo yung octopus dito. Juliana, octopus. Good. Give picture siya. Okay, next. Rory! Hanapin mo yung umbrella. Umbrella. Saan yung umbrella dyan?
Dito na.
Sarado mo. Next, thank you. Hanapin mo yung apple. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Apple. Apple. Kunin mo yung apple. 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 Hindi ka na isasama, ah. Go, blow, pa, blow. Oh, blow.
Go Rory.
Let's try. One for you, one for you, one for you. Okay, go.
Pakawin na. Pakawin pa.
Give it to me. One for you. Oh, Rory, oh, Rory. One for you. For you, one for you. Rory! One for you. Mali, doon. Rory! Pick up mo, Juliana. Stand up, stand up. Ilagay mo ng maayos. Thank you, Juliana. Lagay mo dito. Do not throw. Oh, one for you. Oh, Rory. Mali. Shop.
Pop yan. Pop yan.
Ano yan? Walang laman yan. Thank you. Elephant. Find the elephant. Juliana. Rory, why did you get? It's Juliana's. Not yet. I didn't give you anything yet. Ang ka-impulsive. Thank you. Oh, Lord. Not yet.
Is it a deal?
Ice cream. Get the ice cream. Sit down properly. Put down your feet.
Deal or no deal?
Deal.
Mali. Pwede dyan. Isa pa. Yun o. Ito. Hindi mo kukuhanin yung...
One for you.
Wait lang. Rory, hindi pa siya tapos. Hindi ka pa tapos, oh, Rory. Rory, put here. O yan, Sean. Yeah. Ayan, Sean, hanapin mo. Buti naman. Ayan, tinutulungan ka na lang. Oh no, where's your other window? Ay, it fell down. Over here. Ay, wow, very good, Sean. Kahit pa paano. No, you don't help him. It's okay. Ilagay mo yan, Sean. Thank you, Odd. Exchange daw kayo. Oh, bilis. Saan mo lalagay yan? Napin mo. Hindi kasha. Ayun, salamat. Very good, Juliana. Go, 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 Rory. Ayusin mo yan. Pulutin mo yan. Tingnan mo, oh, pagka... Ay, naku, Sean. Oh, tapos na si Juliana, tapos na si Rory. Magtataka pa siya, tapos ganyan, kakainin niya yung kamay niya. Ay, naku. Sean!
Naman kayo, lagi na walang naalala.
Ilagay mo yung grasshopper. You wait.
Find the R.
Find the pig.
Ask Hopper.
Correct. Thank you, Juliana. Thank you. Next. Find the yo-yo. Where's the yo-yo? Correct. Good. Very good, Rory.
Green color.
Mamaya.
Color green.
Find the frog. The frog.
Sean.
Sean, put the frog.
Put the frog.
Ay, naku, Sean. Put the frog, Sean. Ang OA nito si Sean, oh.
Green color.
Babay ka na, Sean. Babay, babay, babay.
Color green.
Sabi ko, put the frog, eh. Oh, put the frog. Ay, naku, nagmamatikas na ang ulo.
Put the green.
At very good yan, ah.
Yung sayo ni Jinda, no?
Purple pa.
Field demonstration.
Find the koala. Thank you. Thank you, Juliana. Next. Find the train.
Oh, Jinda! Ay,
Put the hippo. Find the robot. Oh, robot.
Find the fun ball.
Find the mittens. Find the whale. Find the car. The car. Give the shit. Find the nest. Thank you. Find the jar. Find the dinosaur. Find the dinosaur. Dali lang. Find the star. Find the xylophone.
Find the star.
Thank you. Thank you. Sure.